Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Day in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I make this nice good spinach scrambled eggs. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, the first thing we want to do, we're going to drain the juice off of both of these cans right here. Best thing to do is get a strainer. I like to take this, and I like to kind of squeeze the juice out of it as much as you can. Okay, next step what I want to do is after I drain all the juice off it, I want to put the remaining spinach into this pot right here. And we're going to put a little bit of canola oil on it. Just a little bit. Okay, we're going to kind of let this simmer on the stove for a little bit, get it kind of all the liquid dried out of it. Okay, now we're going to whisk this very good together. Break up the yolks. Okay, now it don't have to be completely dry, but we're going to add in our eggs. We add in 3 eggs to this, and we're just going to scramble this in together fairly good. We're not going to add in the salt until the end, or pepper, whatever kind of season you'd like to put in. That's optional. Okay, we're going to turn up this fire a little bit so they can cook properly. Okay, let's check it out. Oh yeah, does not look very well. Does not look very well. It smells real good. Okay. Let's take a gander at that now. Oh yeah, it's coming along nicely. Okay, there you go. And if you want to give it a little extra flavor in there, and color, you can add a little bit of your favorite kind of cheese. I got cheddar and Swiss and cheddar. And it's already hot enough so that should melt it in. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. I've been dying to stick my teeth into this. Look at that. I get the eggs or the cheese in that. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is just delicious. Let's get another bite of that. Oh my god, this is delicious. You gotta try this. Okay, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you just remember how to hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.